In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display stock market data in WordPress. Whether you're a financial guru or a WordPress novice, this guide will walk you through the simple process step by step. We'll begin by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, navigate to the plugins section and select Add New. This is where the magic begins, as we'll be getting the tools needed to seamlessly integrate stock market data into your site. In the search bar, type in Stock Market Overview. This will bring up the plugin we need. When you find the Stock Market Overview plugin, go ahead and click on Install Now. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a moment. Once it's installed, the button will change to say Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. Activating the plugin ensures that it's ready for us to configure and use. Now let's dive into the settings to tailor the plugin to our needs. Click on Settings, and from the drop-down, choose Stock Market Overview. At this point, you'll need an app key, which is crucial for pulling in the financial data. Don't worry, getting one is straightforward. Head over to the Stock.io website through the link provided in the plugin and select Get an App Key. If you haven't already, you'll need to register for an account with Stock.io. The process is user-friendly and only takes a few seconds. After registration, use the provided app key by copying it. Now head back to the WordPress dashboard to paste this app key into the plugin settings. Remember to save your changes to ensure everything is intact and ready to use. With your plugin setup complete, the next step is to display that data. Within Stock.io, explore the available visualization tools under Endpoints. You have the freedom to choose the types of charts or specific stock market data you want displayed on your site. Once you have a selection in mind, click on Request Code to generate the specific HTML code needed for embedding this feature. Back at the WordPress dashboard, decide which page you wish to display this data. Open the page and click on the Add Block button. From the options presented, type Custom HTML in the search bar and click to add it to your page. Here, paste the HTML code you copied from Stock.io. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to hit Save to finalize everything. Finally, view your page to admire the newly integrated stock market data now live on your site. Not only does this bring dynamic content to your website, but it also keeps your visitors engaged with real-time financial information. Congratulations, you've successfully added stock market data to WordPress.